What's in the sky for the coming month?
Let's see, there's no eclipse we can see from here, so I don't know. There's not a lot going on. Well, one thing, as we see in the evening sky, currently there are no bright planets visible right after sunset, but that will change. And at the end of the month, the planet Venus will reappear in the evening sky, and then it will be visible for about 8 months. It'll be hard to see this month, but it will get higher and higher, and in about 3 or 4 months, it'll be the most eye-catching thing that you see in the evening sky. As Dr. Danley mentioned, Lauren mentioned, January robbed us of the full moon the day before February. March will also have a blue moon, and that's also rare to have 2 blue moons and separated by a month. But February, the short month, was left with no full moon at all. However, you'll notice on the 15th there is a new moon, and whenever there's a lunar eclipse, there's always a solar eclipse 2 weeks away. So there will be a solar eclipse, but if you don't have your travel plans already secure, you won't see this one. This one is maximum in Antarctica, where 59% of the sun will be seen. So you can join the emperor penguins.
Sure. It might come up again.
So anyway.
And that's astronomically correct.
Astronomically
Tony made it
correct,
himself.
yes. I didn't make the penguins. All right. Anyway, all the planets that are visible now are visible in the morning sky. And if you look to the southeast, we'll see Jupiter, the brightest of the planets currently visible. Here's a recent image showing the red spot. Mars is very tiny now, but expert astrophotographers are getting beautiful images. This is by Damien Peach, who is England's probably finest planetary photographer. And you can see a lot of clouds already on Mars. Mars will be 5 times bigger when it's close to us in the end of July, so it'll be something we can all enjoy then. And Saturn is also low in the southeast. And over the next few mornings, starting February 7th, when the last quarter moon is near Jupiter, every couple mornings it'll pass by another planet. So notice Jupiter, Mars, and Saturn. So here on the 9th it's by Mars, and on the 11th it's right above Saturn. That's the big event of the month.
It's a short month.
And then, of course, every night here except Monday, we have telescopes for you to look through. And I especially would encourage you to come to one of our public star parties. And there's one coming up on the 24th. This is where the astronomy clubs bring about 20 or 30 telescopes in addition to the 3 or 4 that we set up on the lawn and our venerable Zeiss refractor on the roof.